Hello, my name is Dr. KERSL, and I'm the President and CEO of KERSL Energy Research and Services Limited, or KERSL for short. I would like to introduce KERSL and what we do to you. We are primarily an industrial automation and mechatronics training company, but we are more than a training company. We are also a service provider in several areas, which I will let you know later. But first, let me take a couple of definitions out of the way, okay, so that you will know as we provide more information to you. The first one is automation. What is automation? When we say automation, what do we mean? Well, automation is the use of computers to perform different tasks in the factory floor instead of using human power. The computers used in factory automation are not the typical laptops that we are used to in the offices, but they are specially designed to suit the processes that are typically done in industry, and also to suit the harsh environment of the shop floor. But they are called programmable logic controllers, and they are the workhorse of industry. The automation is used in several areas in industry, okay? Examples are Coca-Cola bottling companies, food processing companies, okay, metal fabrication companies, and car assembly plants. The next definition we will discuss is mechatronics. When we say mechatronics, what do we mean? Well, today's mechanical machines are very sophisticated, okay, and most of them contain embedded electronics, and machines may even be talking to each other, okay, through Profibus networks and so forth. So the savvy tech of today must understand not only mechanical engineering, but must also understand electronics, must understand IT technology, computer science, and what have you. So mechatronics involves all these components. There are courses involving all these components of mechanical, electrical, computing, and IT. KERSL also provides training, okay? So for example, the training involves short courses, okay? The short course will be a 2-week course, typically 2-week course, okay? Today's, of course, not just today, but industry would not want to release their text for any length of time. Probably 2 weeks is tops, okay? So we have short courses in those areas, but we also provide a 2-year diploma course, okay? And at the end of that program, you will get a diploma in industrial automation and mechatronics, okay? The whole set, industrial automation and mechatronics, okay? And we are NAPTEX accredited. NAPTEX is the National Board for Professional and Technical Examination. We are accredited on that, so you will have a diploma on that. Now, that's the training portion of our work. KERSL also provides industrial maintenance services for industry, so we actually support maintenance services. So if you are short of techs and so forth, and your machine is broken down, you can depend on us to provide the technical support that you need. We also provide automation systems development. So if you're wanting to upgrade your installation, okay, make it more automated, you can also depend on us to provide the technical support that you need. Then we are also a solar energy development and installation services provider. So we can design and install solar systems backup for your industry or for the home. Finally, I would like to explain a little bit about the word research in our name, KERSL Energy Research and Services Limited, okay? The research means that we look around and we research, look into several countries and to find out the technologies, the cheap, low-cost technologies that have worked well in those countries, and try to use them or at least promote them in this country to solve our national problems. One of them is what we are working on right now, called the ionic soil stabilizer, okay? And it is a very cost-effective way of making roads, okay? Right now, a lot of times when they are making roads, they may have to bring different good soil type from somewhere else. because the soil type in place is not a good soil type. Okay, so that increases the cost. But using the ionic soil stabilizer, okay, you don't have to bring soil from elsewhere. Okay, the soil itself is mixed with the product, and that makes any soil type very hard. Okay, and you don't even need to asphalt it if you don't have to. So this particular way of making roads is very suitable for feeder roads, and it's a fraction of the cost of making the asphalted road itself. We have EPA authorization, Ghana Standards Board authorization, Ghana Highway Authority authorization, and all the like. So the way it goes. So my point is that this is just one example of what KERSL is doing in terms of providing applied technology, either by proven methods or developing in-house technology ourselves. Thank you very much.